Hide a row or column. If you do not need to see or work with the row or column temporarily, you can make your worksheet easier to read and to navigate by hiding the row or column. Hiding a row or column is also useful if you are showing someone a worksheet that contains private or sensitive data that you do not want the person to see. For example, if a row or column contains salary data, passwords, or social security numbers, you should hide the row or column to protect this data from unauthorized viewers. Hide a row. Click in any cell in the row you want to hide. Click Format. Click Row. Click Hide. Excel removes the row from the worksheet display. Excel displays a slightly thicker heading border between the surrounding rows to indicate that a hidden row lies between them. Another way to hide a row is to move the cursor over the bottom edge of the row heading and then click and drag the edge up until the height displays 0. Hide a column. Click in any cell in the column you want to hide. Click Format. Click Column. Click Hide. Excel removes the column from the worksheet display. Excel displays a slightly thicker heading border between the surrounding columns to indicate that a hidden column lies between them. Another way to hide a column is to move the cursor over the right edge of the column heading and then click and drag the edge left until the width displays 0. Freeze rows or columns. As you vertically scroll a worksheet, you can keep your column labels in view by freezing the row or rows that contain the labels. This makes it easier to review and edit the existing data and to insert new data to the worksheet because you can always see the column labels. If your worksheet also includes row labels, you can keep those labels in view as you horizontally scroll the worksheet by freezing the column or columns that contain the labels. Freeze rows. Scroll the worksheet so that the row or rows that you want to freeze are visible. Position the cursor over the horizontal split bar. Click and drag the cursor and drop it below the row you want to freeze. Excel splits the worksheet into 2 horizontal panes. Click the Layout tab. Click Freeze Panes icon. Click Freeze Panes. If you want to freeze just the first row, click the Freeze Top Row command. Excel freezes the panes. Freeze columns. Scroll the worksheet so that the column or columns that you want to freeze are visible. Position over the vertical split bar. Click and drag and drop it on the right edge of the column you want to freeze. Excel splits the worksheet into 2 vertical panes. Click the View tab. Click Freeze Panes. Click Freeze Panes. If you want to freeze just the first column, click the Freeze First Column command. Excel freezes the panes.